This is Mortgage Minute with Scott Leaf.
Hey, how are you? I'm Scott Leaf with Atlantic Home Loans. Welcome to another Mortgage Minute. If you're a buyer right now out looking for a new home, if you go to an open house, you're going to see a long line waiting to get in to see that property. That's because inventory is low. That means there are many more buyers than there are homes to buy right now. And what's happening is that is forcing offer prices up over asking price. Now, if you're borrowing money to get this property, you are subject to an appraisal. All lenders are going to force you to get an appraisal as part of the mortgage process, and they're going to look at the lower of the contract price or the appraised value. So if your appraisal comes in under the contract price, you've underappraised. Now, there are four common ways that this has been dealt with in my experience over time. First and foremost, you see the buyer and seller split the difference. So if you come in $10,000 under contract, you come up 5, seller comes down 5, you shake hands and move forward. Another common area, which is fastly becoming the number one resolution to this, is the seller's not going to budge and they're going to ask you to come up to the contract price regardless of where the appraised value is. The third is the other way around, where the seller comes down to the appraised value, and the fourth, and the one we like the least, is where the deal falls apart. So what you want to do is, if your seller's not going to budge, you need to look to restructure your loan. So if you're putting, say for example, 10% down, you change your loan to 5% down, and you take that extra 5% and it goes towards the difference between the contract price and the appraised value. What you're going to find is, out of pocket at the end of the day, you're at very similar dollar figures, and your payment will also be very similar. Do you need to know more about this? My contact information is here in the video. Please feel free to reach out anytime. I'm here to help. I'm Scott Leaf with Atlantic Home Loans, and you've been watching Mortgage Minute.
You've been watching Mortgage Minute with Scott Leaf.